Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. So one puzzle is left. It's the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number I believe number 7569. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has not a lot. 11 could be an hard one, could be an easy one, we don't know. Let me give some light here. Yeah, alright. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 11 and it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Yeah, 4 stars. Can I zoom this out? No. Alright. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here 1 and a 2. 2 dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Here the same, 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? I see only one triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, could be everywhere here, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Let me check. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More. No. Then the following shape. Yeah. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Here another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape upside down. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, correction, this box has the same number as that box. This is not correct. You need to delete this. Alright. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. 1 or 2. Same for here. 1 or 2. but it can be a 2. We have a 2 here, so it should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Is connected with this box, should be also 1. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here we have another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. And here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 5 because it's connected with that box. Should be also a 5 then, but we already have a 5 here. Should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for this box. Can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 5. So 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for those 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Then we have here. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So these 2 boxes can be 1, and also those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Same for here, double 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. Is connected with that box should be also 1. So the other 2 numbers in this triple box should be the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, so 1 and 4, but we already have a 1 here. It can be 1 and more. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright. This box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the only box left for the 5 should be here then. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. Alright, these 3 boxes. So the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If you place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. Yeah. So not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Let me think. Need a 2 here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, well, these 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So it should be the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 are left. Is connected with that box, should be so 4 and a 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can't be a 5 anymore. Should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for us, a 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3 with a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5 with a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Okay. I think this. No, don't think. Need a 2 here. Well, this box can be 2. This box can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 3 there. So the 3 should be here. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2 here, so the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3, so 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means that these two boxes can be 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 there and a double 5 there, so 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for the number 3. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, okay. 2 and 5. Then, let me think now. I need a 2, and I need a 3. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, the last two numbers. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. We solved again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Well, I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars then. But we solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.